Hi, good morning, everyone. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Hi, Abhinav. Hi, Chakradhar, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, before start the session, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar. Having 17 years of experience on Microsoft technologies, currently I'm working as a Azure AI architect. So just wanted to check your background, like already you know the Azure cloud, or you are any freshers, anything you are expecting, Abhinav, are real-time professionals, already working employees.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Yeah.
So I'm already working as a .NET developer, but I didn't have any uh, knowledge regarding Azure.
Okay. What about Aditya? Aditya Chakradhar.
Sir, actually, good morning. So this is Sekradhar. Uh, yeah, I'm working currently with the Java with microservices.
Okay.
So yeah, I know little about cloud, but I wanted
Okay.
to deep dive into the cloud technologies. Like
Mm-hmm.
even I wanted to do some kind of certifications nowadays. So organizations are forcing us to do some kind of certifications, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah, so that's what. So
Okay.
basically I'm just looking for the certification and knowledge gaining here.
Okay. Sure.
So is it helpful for the even for the certification?
Yeah, it is well qualified for certification.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
at what levels of certifications we can do here? Like,
Yeah, as of now, Microsoft introduced three certifications, especially in Azure AI. AI 900, Azure AI Fundamentals. AI 102, this is the Azure AI Engineer. Other
okay.
one is DP 100. Okay. So DP 100, about two, it will be covered.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So this is what data science.
Hmm.
Okay. In Azure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So
uh,
first, yeah, go
yeah,
ahead.
yes. And one thing, right? So if I learn Azure, right? So can I get AWS and GCP easily, or how it is?
Yeah, you can easily see. Actually, if in best example, if you know how to drive one Suzuki Maruti car, you can also drive the what?
Yeah,
Audi, Audi with BMW cars now, right? Same funda, but
yeah.
features will be changed. Here we are calling it as VM, virtual machine. There we will
Okay.
call it as elastic VM. Like that, names will be changed. Funda is same. So here also we are using Windows operating system. There also they will use Windows and Linux operating system. Same.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Some projects may use Azure, some projects may use
They will
AWS.
use
That's
it.
why.
No. Yes, yes,
Some projects also GCP they are using, so that's why.
yes, yes,
So I'm a
correct.
bit confusing. What should I learn? That's why.
Okay, yeah. My suggestion is learn one cloud. That's it. Don't mix up everything. What happened now nowadays? It is unlike previous interviews. Okay, so if you study 5% in one cloud, that is waste, right? If you learn perfectly like 20% in one cloud, that would be good.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
interviews are nowadays going in depth only, like not what is what not. So
yeah.
yeah, keep one cloud, whichever you choose, that is your choice. Okay, so I will tell why Microsoft Azure, why not? You know, there is a coming to the cloud. There are two competitors, guys. One is Azure, other one is what? AWS. Coming to the AI, competitor is what? Azure, other one is what? Google Cloud. Okay, Amazon Web Services, not that much race in AI. Okay, coming to the cloud, big competitor Microsoft on the AWS. Coming to the AI, Azure and Google Cloud. Okay, so that is the race it happened. Now, I
Sir,
would
sir,
like to
no, can you come again for GCP actually? Uh,
actually, if you ask me which cloud is the best, in the cloud
okay,
race, there are two vendors. One is Microsoft Azure, other one is AWS. These two are market leaders.
okay,
If you ask me AI, which one is the best? Again, when you're coming to the AI, There are two competitors. One is Microsoft Azure AI, other one is what? Google, Gemini AI. Are you getting?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, why Microsoft? Why not other things and all? I will let you know. Okay. So each and every cloud they came up with some beautiful solutions, and whatever their limitation and all that also we have to consider. Okay. Yeah. First thing I would like to differentiate what is the data science, normal data science, core data science, and Azure data science. Okay. Simple thing, when you go for data science, okay, in outside market, okay, so they will explain about Python like 2 months, yes or no? Okay, next they will point it about machine learning models. That is the data science. Okay, in the machine learning they have more like SVM, okay, semi-supervised, regression. They all explain about this is the one. That is the core data science. Here, model preparation, I can say model preparation, model deployment, model trying, everything you have to take care. That is the core data science. When you are coming to data science in Azure, no? Okay. So they are providing lot of pre-built services. Okay. Lot of pre-built services. Okay. They are providing full code solutions, no code solutions, and the low code solutions. So in order to, what is that? Save the cost for the customers and all, right? So if you would like to develop from the scratch, it is the burden for customers. Am I right? It is the cost, resource cost, utilization cost, everything is the cost. Okay, when you are coming to the Azure, they have already provided pre-built services with that customer requirement can be fulfilled easily. Are you getting? This is the one thing you would like to know. Other thing is, as I said, mostly in the market, Azure AI ML. It is the same keywords, AI ML. They are part of data science only. Okay, they are part of data science only. Clear, guys? Okay, and yeah, Azure AI ML. Okay, on top of it, we have what? Data science, we have called it out. Okay, they came up with lot of pre-built services. Directly, you can utilize them for your application, guys. Okay, even Gemini AI, Google also came, but Microsoft Azure still they are investing lot of amount to bring more models into Azure AI Foundry. So customers, for customers, they are providing one-stop solutions from where you can build, deploy, manage, and access the application, any type of models. Okay, yeah. So before going for to discuss everything, just I will give you small, what is that? What is the AI? Okay, what is the AI? Can anyone tell me? Why should I go for AI? First of all, why should I go for AI? Why should I go for AI? Why should I go for AI, guys? What is that? Why should I go for AI? To automate daily tasks. What is that? Automate, automating the daily tasks. Daily tasks in a sense. If we consider our IT industry itself, okay, if you choose manager roles, manager will pull the report for employees information and prepare one Excel sheet, prepare the graph and maintain calls, everything they have to prepare and send it to next level management. And all. That is the daily task. Okay, coming to ourselves, like every day you should monitor the servers. Okay, if any server down, manually you have to go and verify that server, pull the report, troubleshoot and fix that issue. So that is the daily task. If you automate it, you can save the cost. Am I right? For example, if customers are facing small basic issues, okay, basic issues, in order to code everything, then if you automate it, what will happen? We can save the cost. So what does it mean? To automate regular using task, okay, in order to save the cost for organizations, AI came into the picture. Okay, generally, if you want to prepare one Excel file, maybe it will take 24 hours. All right. If you want to develop one Excel file based on your data by using what is that Azure cloud computing, Azure AI and all, just within 2 minutes we can finish that work. So what does it mean? We are automating daily tasks for each and every department where AI is sitting to the picture. Okay, AI is reducing the manual effort and they are doing automating. They are doing automatic everything that job. Okay, that is the AI. So why should I go for AI? Very simple, to automate regular tasks and save the cost for organizations, and it will save the time for customers as well. You know, right? Nowadays, if you go for every sector, people are telling about it will take some time, there is a resource shortage. Okay, so allow me some like 2 to 3 days to complete our task. That all people will say. If you go for any government sector, banking sector, healthcare domain, everything, right? If you go and implement AI, all regular tasks it will do automated, so that we can reduce the resource count. If you reduce the resource count, automatically what, a cost also will come down to the picture. Okay, yeah, now you know, right? The call centers and the banking sector, cashiers, that all count is getting reduced automatically by implementing what is that? AI. Okay, yeah, now have a look. I have prepared one PPT, I will show you. Okay, yeah, see, why should I go for AI? See, this is the one. Okay, see, there is a what, labor shortage. If you go for any industry, there is a labor shortage. In order to avoid, we have to go on do the what is that, automation. Too much data is there. Okay, nowadays there is a high customer expectation. For example, there is a call center jobs. In call center jobs, replaced with agents. Replaced with agents. I can say chatbot. Chatbot also it is a agent. So when you go for chatbot, 24 by 7, they are providing the support. 24 by 7, they are providing the support. Right? Next, operational inefficiencies. You know, right, to perform, to implement any operational excellence and all. So this is the cost. Okay. In place of that, if you implement AI, optimize the AI supply chains, production, energy use and all. So regular compliance. Regular complaints, AI automatically will monitor and report the complaints for more accuracy. So where exactly? That's why entire IT industry now focusing on AI, AI, AI. Okay, so even IT industry, there is a lot of fluctuation due to that AI implementation itself. There is a code generation also there. It is reducing what? Developer cost. Okay, so actually, one developer to develop one task, maybe it will take 15 days. With the help of AI, same task we can complete it within a 24 hours. I can say 1 or 2 days. So what does that mean? Days count are reducing. When days counts are reducing, obviously we are saving the cost. Clear, guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next. So now you tell me, what is the artificial intelligence? Simply, we can say artificial intelligence is a term. Okay, artificial intelligence is a term. It is the simulation of human intelligence. Simulation of human intelligence in the sense how humans are thinking. Artificial intelligence program also it will think like that. Okay, very simple definition. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence. It enables missions. What is that? It enables missions think, learn, and act like a human is called human intelligence or artificial intelligence. Okay, best example, you might have seen the Robo movie, right? In Robo movie, there is a, what is that? Robo. Robo is the mission. Do you agree or not? Yes or no, guys? Robo is a mission. Robo is a device, okay, which will act like based on your commands. Your commands means in the Robo movie, Rajnikant, when the pass the commands like cook the food, drive the car, do the operations, do the surgeries. Okay, robot will do everything. Am I right? Same way, that's why I'm giving the definition is what? Artificial intelligence, it is like a human intelligence. It enables the machines think, learn, and act like a human is called artificial intelligence. Clear? Very simple. So when you go for artificial intelligence, what all things we can save? See, we can save large complex problems, guys. We can save, we can solve the large complex problems. I hear China, right? China, they have developed the chips like this. See, dots. Nowadays, if you want surgery, for healthcare. So these dots, they will send it through nose, and whatever the part, it should be clean. Automatically, it will clean. It will come back to what is that? Our mouth itself. That is the experiment they did. It is succeeded. Now they are constructing AI hospital. Got it, guys? If we want to do some surgeries, there is heavy pain for our body. We cannot handle it as well. Now, they have developed small kind of dots kind of chips. Okay, what they will do now, they will pass it through pipe. Okay, whatever the surgeries are required for particular part of our body, they will do that and come back. Okay, here we can reduce the cost and it's saving the time, and they are even hospital domains, they are getting profit. Am I right, guys? So what is that? Solve complex problems faster. Make smarter decisions itself. For example, if there are any complexity, then automatically it will give you the directions. So, okay, there is a complexity, we cannot do that. Next, save the time, reduce the manual work. So this is the main point why entire AI came into the picture. So what is that? Save the time, reduce the manual work. Also, it is what? Improve accuracy and reduce human error. So you know, right? Chat GPT. Every day it is learning from us. Okay, nowadays 80% or 100% of IT employees without using chat GPT, work cannot be done. Okay, what does that mean? Every day you are going to ask some questions. Based on these questions, it back in it is training guys automatically. That's why all of a sudden if we paste one query, then it will give the like email format, it will give the resolutions, everything immediately, even without passing full directions as well. Full direction means you need not write the full prompt. Okay, based on previous data which you have passed, according to that it is responding. Have you observed that situation, guys? Yes or no? Abhishek, I will know. Previously, whatever the questions you have asked in ChatGPT, right? It has been remembered. Nowadays, if you pass something with, you need not pass the full query. If you give the your problem name, automatically it will give the solution based on your input. Have you observed?
Yes.
Okay, so sorry.
Yeah, we observe.
Yeah. Yes, correct. So what does that mean? Every day, every minute, it is trained from ourselves. Okay. So based on our data, ChatGPT backend, they are trained automatically. Next, so as I said, right, why should we move to AI means these are first thing, cost saving and the better decision making competitive advantages. Okay, yeah, next. Now, what is the AI? As I said, AI is a simulation of human intelligence. Okay, it will act like a human is called artificial intelligence. So, so what is the architecture of AI? So this is the architecture of AI, guys. Okay, so I will drag the diagram. See, this is the AI. This is the AI. Under AI, we will get what? ML, machine learning. Under ML, we have deep learning. Under deep learning, we have what? Gen AI. Okay, under Gen AI, again, what is that? Agentic AI is came to the picture. Okay, another branch, we can see this is the NLP, natural language processing. Under NLP, we can see computer vision. Other one is what? We can go ahead and use it speech services, speech to text, text to speech and all. Okay, so this is the AI. Okay, so ML is part of AI, DL is part of ML, agentic AI and Gen AI is part of what is that? DL. Okay, so Gen AI is subset of DL. DL is a subset of ML. ML is a subset of AI. So this is the total architecture, guys. Okay, see, so within the artificial intelligence, we have machine learning. Under machine learning, we have deep learning. Inside of the deep learning, we have Gen AI. Under Gen AI, we have what? Agentic AI. What is the Gen AI? What is the agentic AI? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between Gen AI and agentic AI? Gen AI is what? Generate new content. See, the name itself, it is saying that generate new content. Generate new content means new image, new text, and a new audio, new video. It is generate AI to develop new things which are already not present. That we can call it as what? Generate AI. So what does that mean? Generate new things which are not present already in the market. That is what generative AI is. It will generate the text, which will generate the image, which will generate the audio, which will generate the video. Got it? So what is the agentic AI then? Anyone? Generative AI, it will generate new content. Agentic AI, it will develop the application itself, guys. It will generate the application itself. Now, I will show you one best example. Okay, so ChatGPT. Go for ChatGPT. So if I ask, what is Azure AI? Give the answer. Generate the answer using Gen AI. Just I am giving the words. Here, Gen AI style is what? Simple and crispy. So Azure is a Microsoft cloud platform. It is a global network of data centers. Intelligent services let you build, deploy anything what you want and run anything what you want without worrying about physical servers. See, this is the new content. It has been generated back and they have used Gen AI. Am I right? So what does it mean? It is generating new content, it is generating new image, it is generating new audio and video files. Okay, so agentic AI means it is developing the applications. See, there is a small agents, guys, agents.org. So this is the one tool is there, online tool. So it will generate the application itself. See, AI code, small agent and fast free, guys. So what does that mean? It will generate. This is the Llama coder. Llama. It has developed. What is the backend model they are using is Llama. Meta AI they have developed. Okay. If we have subscription for that, here you can write the code, guys. You can give the prompt according to that application itself. It will generate. For example, develop develop the calculator. Okay, develop the calculator. See, what it does now, it will generate the code. It will generate the code application itself. Let's try. So to develop the calculator for ourselves, minimum it will take 1 to 2 months. Am I right? The logic, implementing addition, deletion, subtraction, okay, adding many things. See, automatically code is generating. Okay, so what does that mean? Agentic AI in the sense, develop the application is called agentic AI. Gen AI in the sense, generate new content which is not present in the market. The generation of text or image, audio, video, that is the new content. Generating new content is called generative AI and develop the application is called agentic AI. Let's see. I have given single prompt like develop a calculator. This is the calculator application. Okay, so right side it is giving the information, core functionality, advanced features, okay, UI design, technical implementation, everything. See, this is the calculator, guys. So this is the coding part. You can go on this is total, uh, uh, I can say this is the Python code. Okay, if you want to preview, see this is the preview of the calculator. See guys, if I say 4 plus 9, What is that? 4 plus 9? 30. Okay, into 9. 117. Clear the wind. Okay, 4 plus 4 into 9. 8. Nice, right? Have you observed? Okay, to develop the calculator for ourselves, if we start today, maybe it will take another at least 1 month. But within 1 minute, your app is ready. Am I right, guys? Nice, right? So powered by Together and the Llama Coder. AI code small agents. Yes or no, guys? Got it, got it.
Yes, yes.
So, agentic AI means you can develop multiple agents in between. If you do connection like that, we can call it as agentic AI. Okay, agentic AI orchestration. Okay, agents orchestration is called agentic AI. Okay, so I would like to highlight the point is higher. What is that? Artificial intelligence is the tree. One branch is what? ML. Another branch of ML is what? Deep learning. Another branch of deep learning is generative AI. Generative AI, it will generate new content is called new generative AI. And agentic AI in the sense develop applications and applications itself that we can call it as what? Gen AI. Sorry, agentic AI. Okay. Another thing is agentic AI is nothing but establish the connection between multiple applications and that we can call it as agent orchestration that we can call it as what? Agentic AI. Got it. So see application technical word here in artificial intelligence we are calling it out what? Agent guys. Agent which will perform specific task. Okay, if multiple agents are there, what is that? That we can call it as agentic AI combination. Okay, yeah, next. Now, in AI, there are two types of AI, guys. There are two types of AI. Okay, one is narrow AI, other one is what? General AI. That we can call it as strong AI. So, whatever we said, right? Generative AI, agentic AI, they are comes under what? Generative, general AI, strong AI. Okay, so where exactly this AI is implemented? See, healthcare domain, finance, retail, automation, education, marketing, entertainment, in all the sectors they are using AI, guys. Almost each and every sector now they are using AI. Okay, you know, right? SoftBank, they are investing like $1.2 trillion. SoftBank, UK or US bank. Have you heard about it, SoftBank? Yes or no? SoftBank, have you heard? 3 days back, this is the one revelation, guys. Like they are investing 1.2 trillion. That is the half of our India GDP. Okay, on AI itself. Okay, so what they want to do everything automation. Customer should not enter into the bank. Bank should be one branch. Everything should be managed from there itself. That is their intention. Okay, so in healthcare domain and all, they are implementing AI. So as of now, we discussed about AI. What is the future of AI? Okay, future of AI is what? It is going to be part of our life. How mobile is part of our life, right? Same way AI is going to be part of our life. Okay, they will make it as a personal assistant going forward. Agents are like how it will have, right? Agents also we can call it as personal assistants, digital assistant. Nowadays, people are not trusting humans. Am I right? People are trusting technology itself. Yes or no, guys? That is the true statement. People are not trusting other humans. People are trusting technology only. So going forward, AI is going to be your assistants. Okay, your issues, problems you are sharing with technology, not for humans nowadays. Right? So what does it mean? AI is part of our life going to be. Right? Now, that is the future of AI, I can say. So human and what is that? AI. Right? Yeah, next. Other thing is, what is the Microsoft Azure AI? Why should I go for Microsoft? We have Google, AWS, lot of tools are there in the market. Like I can say, thousands of tools are there in the market. Okay, but why entire market they are looking for Azure AI, Azure AI and all? Okay, why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI? You know, right? Microsoft came up with one beautiful chatbot called Copilot. Have you heard about it? I hope every day you might have using. Especially Copilot is very very powerful. As per records, around 50 millions people, 50 millions companies already they have adopted the what is that Copilot. Got it? So Copilot is a revolution in the market. Most of the companies they are adopting the Copilot. So Copilot already integrated with M365. Okay, so Copilot is each and every product of Microsoft. Okay, so Azure, Windows operating system, M365, Excel, Word, PPT, everywhere Copilot is there. Okay, if you want to generate Copilot, see there is a Copilot in Notepad also they have integrated. Okay, write something. If I ask, okay, we need we need plants, we have to purchase it. Subscription required. It is asking. Okay, if you want, ask me write something Copilot automatically it will write it down on on the notepad itself. Okay, Copilot is a revolution in the market. Okay, it has been already integrated with each and every product of Microsoft. Clear? Nowadays, writing the emails, we are using Copilot. Problem resolving, we are using the Copilot. Code generation. Okay, code generation, what is the tool we are using nowadays? Can anyone tell me?
GitHub Copilot.
Yes, exactly. GitHub Copilot. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Okay, so GitHub Copilot again, it is a revolution. They confirmed that 80% of code automatically it is generated based on your requirement. Clear? Okay, GitHub Copilot already it is generating 80% of accuracy code. So what does it mean? Here we are saving the time for developers. Okay, give the requirement, give the prompt according to the code is generating, go on integrate with your application. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Okay, so you know, right? They are going to launch Visual Studio 2026. Visual Studio 2026. I think already preview they have launched, maybe beta version. In next first quarter before March, they are going to launch Visual Studio 2026. Total each and every component they have integrated with AI itself. Okay, so this is the single platform where you can develop the all AI solutions. Okay, they said that very beautiful feature. I will show you. See, go to ChatGPT. Okay, Visual 2026 features. Okay, so this is totally they have given, they have integrated GitHub Copilot only, guys. Okay, Visual Studio 2026 AI first with GitHub Copilot. Okay, so they are providing directly you can develop what is that agentic AI, generative AI, all these solutions, guys. Okay, Visual Studio is different. Visual Studio Code is different. Visual Studio Code is the open source tool from Microsoft. You can use anything. But Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio is totally what IDE tool. They are providing very good development environment where we can do that. So .NET framework also they have launched 10.0. Latest .NET framework 10.0. Okay, C# 14. Clear. So everything they have changed. Anything agentic AI, generative AI, they are providing a lot of frameworks inbuilt. Okay, their features. You can develop the code easily. That's what they are telling. Okay, yeah. Next. Now, this is about what? Microsoft Azure AI. Now, you tell me what is the Microsoft Azure AI? Microsoft Azure AI is a cloud-based suite. What is that? Microsoft Azure AI is a cloud-based suite where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the AI application. Is called Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, why Microsoft Azure AI means they have provided lot of pre-built services. Okay, pre-built services. Okay, pre-built services in the sense like they have provided full code solution. Other one is what? No code solutions. Third one is what? Low code solutions. Low code solutions. Total they have provided it, guys. Okay, you know, right? If you attend nowadays any interview, okay, they are asking for low code solution. You know, low code how to implement and all. Why? Because coding part slowly it is reducing. Why? Because developing the code it is again cost, right? So that's why more focusing on organizations are moving towards low code solutions itself. Okay, Microsoft and Google, they are introducing totally no code solutions. They will take care about backend code and for small and medium applications. For larger application custom requirements, 100% you should move to developers, guys. No alternative. 100% there is a heavy demand for developers at eventually. Okay, yeah, next. Now, what is the AI architecture in Microsoft data center? See, AI architecture total we have four layers: data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, and application layer. Okay, so three layers are there for your AI application: data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, application layer. Here, algorithm is the heart of the AI, guys. Without algorithms, AI cannot be implemented. Simply, we can say, what is that algorithm? In set of rules that has to be implemented. If you go for Gen AI, generative AI, agentic AI, RAG model, anything, algorithm must be implemented here. That's it. Okay, yeah, next. When we are coming to the algorithm layer, see, we have machine learning, deep learning, NLP, guys. We have machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. So this is about what? Architecture of AI. Now, what is the why should I go for Microsoft AI is they have provided the what is that platform where we can build GPU based AI applications, GPU or CPU based AI applications, GPU and CPU based AI applications. Clear, everyone? Okay, so that's why Microsoft Azure AI is very popular. Silently, most of the companies they are implementing. Silently inside, most of the companies they are implementing. So why Microsoft Azure AI is, as I said, right, pre-built AI models. Okay, pre-built AI models means they are providing Llama models, LLAMA. Do you know who has introduced Llama? Anyone? Llama means large language, large language Meta AI, guys. Meta. Facebook people they have introduced. Okay, next. Microsoft AI. Microsoft AI introduced by Microsoft. And the GPT. What is the full form of the GPT? Generative Pre-trained Models. Developed by OpenAI. And next, Hugging Face, Claude model, and Mistral model, NVIDIA, Snowflake, all these models Microsoft bring into one single platform. From there, you can build whatever the model you want and integrate with your application. Currently, Microsoft supporting 11,300 models, guys, from various providers. I listed down, right? Meta and Mistral, Hugging Face. Okay, we have Grok. Grok is like Elon Musk. Okay, Microsoft AI models, GPT models, everything they have provided. Okay, I will show you. Already I have provision just now. Okay, this is the ML. Okay, so launch ML Studio. Okay, now click on here. See, ML catalog is there, right? Model catalog. See, they are introducing how many model sites? 11,300. I said 11,300, but total models are 11,361 models. Okay, if you observe collections, see these are the A121. This is the another model Bayer and the Cohere, and we have DeepSeek models. Okay, Hugging Face, Meta, Microsoft, Mistral, Entity Data, Nvidia. Okay, Snowflake. Okay, all these models. See, Snowflake, two models are there. Okay, many models are there. Okay, from all these vendors, total models are 11,361 models are there. Out of them, which model is useful for you? You people can go ahead and deploy and consume it for your application. So, for example, I like only GPT model, OpenAI model. Okay, these are the OpenAI 59 models are there. Okay, you can go and deploy it whatever you want. You can consume it. Totally 59 models are there from OpenAI. Okay, coming to the Microsoft. You know, Microsoft and OpenAI both are collaboratively, they are developing the models. Okay, so if I go for Microsoft, we have 176 models are there. Okay, do you know Microsoft, they have launched beautiful two models. One is healthcare related. That is the costly nowadays in the market, right? They would like to reduce the cost of healthcare related queries and all. Okay. Nowadays, doctor fees itself 1,000, medical fees again 5,000. Okay. Travel cuts again 2,000. There are heavily spending. Half of the our salary nowadays people are spending for health only, right? If you agree. So remaining 30% education. So they are trying to develop two models, guys. One is healthcare model, other one is what? Education model. So entire our life, people are spending 70% of their income is these two only, right? So they would like to bring down that cost. Already healthcare domain, they have launched it. It is in most of the hospitals, top hospitals in the world they are using. And healthcare, education also they are launching. So going forward, there is no trainer. There is no trainer. Trainer is not required. Okay, already there are tons and tons and tons of data is there in the internet. It will train, then automatically one beautiful goal will come into the picture. It will explain about each and everything, which is simple words, which complex word, advanced, basic, everything. That is already it is happening, guys. Okay, yeah. Next, this is about what total why I should go for Microsoft Azure. Okay, yeah. Next. Okay, next. So coming to the security, security is the top priority. Okay, for Microsoft. Okay, now every year they are investing billions of dollars on security itself. So what is the AI architecture? Data input and preparation, model training evaluation, and inferences decision making and feedback loops. This is about what? Everything, right? Next. Now, Azure AI totally nowadays they are using GPU processors. What is the GPU? Generally, our laptops are CPU. Am I right? CPU. What is the full form of the CPU? GPU? Can anyone tell me? Silly question. I know, but I want to hear from you. Am I audible? Abhishek. CPU is the legacy for AI infrastructure. Got it? Abhinav, Abhishek, Aditya, Chakrida, Abhinav. Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, if you want to deploy any AI application, we require what? GPU, guys. Graphical process unit. Graphic process unit. Okay. If you want to deploy any agentic AI and NLP related applications and all, we require GPU itself. Now, if we go for what is that? TPU. There is a TPU also. This is heavy cost. Here we have TPU, GPU, CPU. TPU is heavy cost. We cannot bear it at all. You have to spend total amount from your pocket, but experience and performance and all same way we can expect it. Okay, graphical process unit. It is the parallel processing, guys. Parallel computing. It will accept it. Okay, CPU is what? General purpose. We will use it. Okay, so CPU is a legacy nowadays. Going forward, you have to purchase the laptops with the GPU processors, guys. Got it? Trust me, another 1 year, after 1 year, if you would like to purchase the laptop, most of the companies will ask you what is that? Purchase the GPU based laptop, not CPU based laptop. Are you getting? Why? Because going forward, all AI applications are launching. So to support that, you need to, what is that? But you have to upgrade your hardware as well. Okay. Yeah, so after 1 year, trust me, GPU based laptops will be there. Nowadays, GPU in the sense people are thinking about only gaming laptops. Do you agree or not? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
GPU means, hey, that is the gaming laptop. Why do you require and all? So they are upgrading the chips and all. Going forward, it will support AI related applications and all. Okay. Yeah, so this is the overview. I hope this session is very useful to start up. Okay, I gave you what is the AI. Why should I go for AI? Next, what is the Azure AI? Why should I go for AI rather than going other cloud vendors? Yeah. Do you have any questions? Feel free and ask me. Here, total I will cover data science in Azure, guys. I said right, no code, low code, full code solutions. Total I will cover. So total data science I can be covered here. I will cover basics of Python as well, but totally in Azure, not core developer. Okay, totally how we can develop the solution and deploy into Azure cloud. Total I will show you generative AI, agentic AI, NLP, and the pre-built services which they have passed. Everything I will cover here. Very simple. Okay. Any questions? Any doubts? Have you now?
Yeah, so what will be timing of this batch?
It is same time, 8 o'clock only every day.
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Okay, so duration will be 2 months.
Yeah, duration will be 2.5 and 3 months. It will go. They have mentioned 60 days. It will go beyond that. Yeah.
So Monday to Friday.
Yeah, Monday to Saturday we can think. If Saturday is busy, then Monday to Friday we can consider.
So will we get a recorded session also? Sometimes we will not join miss also.
Yeah, you will get everyday recording sessions. No worries. Yeah. Okay.
Notes also we'll get actually, sir, here.
Yeah, for every topic I will share the PPT, guys, and the recording session and the certification dumps also I will share with you. Need not worry.
Okay, okay. No, no, the complete notes, right? So after some
Yes,
days,
yes.
right? Uh,
Yes, yes. I will share the complete notes. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So will we get knowledge regarding your service bus topic this also in?
Azure Service Bus here we won't use it in AI. That is
Okay.
totally different.
Okay.
Okay. Here, one thing you should remember, if you move to Azure AI, you mostly need to work with data only. Data, 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 data. Okay.
Yeah, here like in Azure Cloud, we have some features like as you said, like S3 buckets and all, right? So those
Yeah,
are
S3
sort of
buckets and all here, storage account, yes.
okay, okay. The are things we can cover here, right? And the deployment things,
Storage
those things are
account, storage account, app services, deployment and all I will cover. They are basics.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See, if you ask me, what is the Copilot? Copilot also application only, right? If I type
yeah, yeah, yeah.
copilot.microsoft.com, this is the application only, right? How it
Mm-hmm.
came to the picture? Backend one of the server they have deployed. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So on top, at end of the day, your application everything should be deployed as a web app only.
Yeah, yeah. Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
No,
in
no,
this
no. What I
backend,
meant is,
Copilot
so
backend, they
whatever,
are using GenAI. Yeah, go ahead.
whatever the cloud topics, so ideally is there in the Azure cloud or
Yeah,
AWS
yeah,
and all,
that I will
right?
report.
So
Yes,
those
yes.
all are things we should cover right here. So
Yes,
that's
yes,
what one
correct.
question.
100%. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We stick on Azure, guys. Like already lot of openings are there, like Azure AI engineer, Azure AI ML data science engineer, many things are there. Slowly, market is drastically changing. Okay. We have to adapt them. No alternative for that. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Tomorrow also same time. Tomorrow I will show you I will show you sample model how to deploy, how to use it now. I want to deploy Copilot, right? See, I want to use same Copilot that should be used for my company. Am I right? So everyone intention is same way, right? See, so this is Copilot for public, right? Same Copilot, I should use it for my TCS company. Assume that I am working in TCS. We should work for TCS organization. So what does it
Okay.
mean? Internally, whatever the TCS documentation, employee information, HR information, their policies, I should access within the TCS network, not outside of that, right? So how we can implement your own Copilot for your organization? That is the challenge. Where exactly all these topics are coming to the picture. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. I think we will have some kind of restrictions to that, right?
We have to
So,
mention the restriction. That's it.
because some of the tools, right? So if you are asking something like
Yes,
not ready
correct.
to give us because they have
Yes.
restricted it, right? I think. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.